Use the nail prep pad provided to clean off any oils or lotions on your fingers. Save that prep pad for later, we'll use it again. Next, you're going to select the size that best fits your finger. You're going to remove the top clear layer and then the bottom white layer. Remove the end tab and discard. Place the nail strip just above the cuticle. Press and seal it down, and then trim an edge with your thumb. Your thumb is your best tool. If you need to, for some reason, you put it on crooked, you can peel it back off and put it back down. One strip is used for 2 nails, so you take the excess and use it on the other hand. Again, place it just above the cuticle. Again, seal it, fold down the tip, remove the excess and discard. File down the nail strips with the provided nail file to remove any excess nail polish. Take that prep pad that we saved from earlier and seal the nails one last time. Now you're good to go. Just avoid soaking your hands in water for the next 30 to 60 minutes. If you have any tips or tricks, leave a comment below.